Welcome back to part 3 of our eBay build video. Today we're going to overclock the system and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so our system is built. Let's see what we're getting out of this. As you can see, I've already overclocked it. The CPU as far as it will go. Any more than this, it just keeps crashing. So this is the most we can get out of the CPU. It's 4.24 megahertz. Let's overclock the GPU and see what we can get out of that. So we use MSI Afterburner. Now I have played about with this, so I pretty much know our max settings here. So we can take this all the way up to about there, and then this just over 100. And this is what I've found works the best without crashing. So we have overclocked it quite a bit, and temperatures always stay quite good. I haven't seen this go over 71°C yet. So let's launch Cinebench. There we go. I've also overclocked the RAM as well, to as high as that will go, and that's only 2400. But as you can see here, I've already run a bunch of tests while I've been overclocking it, and so far the best I've got is 1742. But let's run it again for you guys. So far so good, no crashing. It's working quite quick. It's dropped a little bit, but that might be because we've just restarted it. It needs time to warm up. Usually you can run these tests a couple of times and you'll get varied results, but as you can see, it's not far off what we got before. Let's run the Heaven benchmark and see what we can get out of this. Okay, so we got 1920 by 1080 ultra settings, and we're running the Asus 1060. So let's run this. And I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but at the moment we're getting about 100 frames per second, which is not bad. Running at 2088 megahertz with a memory clock of 4687. So far it's 57 degrees. And in this frame we're getting 130 frames per second. It's going up 136. And it's coming back down. 140 frames per second. So let's go to settings. Let's go to graphics. We're running at 1920 by 1080. VSync on. Refresh rate 60 Hz. Okay, let's run a benchmark. You can see our frame counter at the bottom. So we're hitting between 58 and 61. Went up to 63 for a second there. And you probably can't tell, but the quality is amazing. Far outdoes a PS4 any day of the week. And that's it. Don't forget to stay tuned for part 4, where we'll be showing you how this system can pay for itself and earn you money. Take care.